G'day and welcome to the wrapped tail with Jenny Brandis. I am working the wrapped tail on the bead surround, so the first thing I need to do is lock the wire. Simply switch sides so that the pin holds them in place while you work the tail. Work the last row of cross stitch and add a twist. Place the remaining bobbins onto a bobbin holder and pass one of the threads under the holder to the other side. Pull them tight before forming a reef knot to secure the threads. Right over left, then left over right. Add the left bobbin to the others on the bobbin holder. Pass the remaining bobbin over and under the bobbins on the holder, which is the first wrap. Repeat the wrap 5 times while maintaining tension. Release the bobbins and toss out 2 threads, then reattach the bobbin holder. Continue wrapping and tossing out as you work down the length of the tail, up to 25mm or 1 inch. Tie a reef knot to finish the tail. Cut the tail threads with 20cm or 8 inches left for later use. Cut the bobbins off the tossed out threads and trim the tail tossed out before removing the pins. Finish with cutting off the remaining toss-out threads close to the lace.